Can you girls high five? High five. Yes. High five. What about a kiss? Oh, thank you. Can you give Logan a kiss? Mwah. Can you give Logan a kissy? Mwah. Are you also blowing kisses now? Can you high five? Can you? Do you want to high five? High five, Mum. Tink, high five. High five. Yes, good girl. What is he doing? Riley, are you being so cute? And Logie, what you up to?